Welcome to another interesting video. In today's video, we'll tell you if you shake hand with someone and he squeeze your hand tightly, then how to defend yourself. This accident can happen to you often. So in this video, we'll tell you very easy way to free your hand. So watch the full video and learn all the steps. Let's start. If someone grab your hand tightly like this, first of all, you will lose your body and show him you can't do anything, and he will understand you are scared of him and he will not do any attack. Then you will do your move. Now step number 2, you will move his hand little. Now grab his hand over his hand like this, as you can see in the video. Now twist his wrist like this. When I twist, his wrist feel pain and he will be fall down. Now he is fully under your control. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the side angle. And you grab. Step number 1. Keep your body loose. Now grab. Keep your elbow in this position. Now twist like this. Guys, now I'll show you this technique real. Yes. Guys, what about this technique? If you like, then press the like button, subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.